Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata kasih orang kikan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut kelaki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Cot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Da ka babothong ban pintigna ya ka jingtri kampura ka project Jal Jeevan Mission u Menteri ka Sorkar Jilla u Bakhmi ya ka tanat PHE u Marcus and Marak. Ula Bthah ya baro ki Deputy Commissioner ban Palong Manla u Bnai ya ka Jialang jong ka District Water and Sanitation Committee. Khanang ban thep haka IMIS portal ya ki jiakaran haka Jialang. Khanang baka Sorkar peneng kan yo ban bishar bnia ya ki kam bala pentulun syakhaman. Haka jiakaran bat kilat patay kubor hadin balawai ke Jialang. U marak ulaong baka jingshina ya ka ID na kabenta ka jingpentre ya ka JJM ka day ka bala Bthahi da ka Sorkar peneng.
With regard to the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0. Now Government of India has so many, necessary steps which needs to be, addressed in the district level and grassroots level as well. So today I had a meeting with all the DCs of the state over video conferencing. So I just concluded that meeting, I came back. So with regard to rural pipe water supply scheme, the Government of India has mandated that ID has to be generated for that matter also. Department has already created ID. For out village infrastructure, 1,931 IDs have covered for 6,772 habitations, and 51 ID, that is out village infrastructure. 51 IDs is still pending, but in village infrastructure is also there, for which 1,570 IDs have already covered, and for that 2,500 habitations have been finalized, leaving just 89 IDs in draft level. So these strategies are being done, and for this, we have already, I had a meeting with all the deputy commissioners of our 12 districts over video conferencing. I have requested their effort also, because they are the chairman of DWSM, District Water and Sanitation Committee. So they will have to monitor, they'll have to have meetings, and the minutes of their meetings will have to be uploaded on the IMIS, JJM IMIS, based on which the Government of India will be able to, review and follow up the matters. Like Jal Seva Ankalan also, which is kind of a, again, it's a, what do we say that, kind of audit being done by the district levels. This also will have to be done by the DC level, along with the Gram Sevas. There are BWCs in the grassroots level, those projects which are functioning well, and if they are functioning, whether the village water and sanitation committees are taking care of the projects. If they are not taking care of the projects, how they will be entrusted, how they will be how they will be convinced to take over the projects, take over the ownerships, and to make it functional for the betterment of the villages itself. So these are the steps which we have discussed today, and for that matter, we are also met the district technical units also. Any technical issues are there, district technical units will identify and will report it with the deputy commissioners, and accordingly deputy commissioners will report it back to the state government. So these are the issues which we have discussed today. So many issues are there which Government of India wants JJM schemes to be functional. We have instructed all the DCs to held the meeting regularly, especially DWSM, district water and sanitation committees, because in that district water and sanitation committees will have to again upload the minutes again over in the MIS. Based on that minutes, Government of India will be able to monitor, see the performances as well.
And
Every month they have to do it, and then every month the progress are being monitored. Because PHE department alone cannot, convince the people there out there. But if DCs are involved, BDOs are involved, state missionaries are involved, we'll be able to address the situations. Huge infrastructures are being created through JJM project. As you have said, pipes are already there, waters are not there. What is the reason? This DWSM will monitor, find out what are the issues there. If pipes are there, why waters are not there? Whether it's a source issue, that also we are, instructed the districts to find out what are the measures of that source issues. Or else, what is the reason why the pipes, waters are not there? Probably it's not because thick caring was not there. Probably caring was already given to the BWSCs, but then they are reluctant to take over the project. That is the reason why things are not working well. So these are the issues which will be looked after by the DWSM. DC himself will be monitoring, and then we hope that after participation of the district officials there, we'll be able to give the functional household tap connection.
this DWSM is already formed.
Already formed. It's been there long back also, but then now Government of India has mandated the district DWSM to strictly monitor the projects there. It's already on the job. Some of the projects are already on the job, but as you are aware that rejuvenation of the streams, rivers is not a short-term measures. So we are going for a long-term measures. In certain cases, we are planting lots of trees. Afforestations are being done, and in some of the cases, we are creating trenches, to retain the water, rainwater, because the Government of India also stresses for the catch the rain where it falls. So to catch the rain where it falls, we are creating trenches also. That is also, helping a lot, because the moment the rains come in, it goes inside the trenches and it, soaks in the soil inside. So that's how rejuvenation part starts there.
So under this phase 2, so it's not about laying pipes, right? Laying pipes task is
Those
over.
projects which are undergoing, they are also doing the laying of pipes, everything. Other than the projects, other than the ongoing projects, those completed projects are also to be monitored.
How many projects have you identified where the project is completed and still the water is not coming?
Exact number is not with me right now, but there are projects. But that's what people are saying. People are, those bloggers are also going and saying, oh, JJM is not successful. I'm telling each and every one of them, I would request them as well. We will not leave aside all those projects like that. We will make sure that functionality is there, and for that matter, we will be requesting all the stakeholders to cooperate with the government to make it functional and for the sustainability of the projects.
The competition jungi kam judai hi katach lane kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition. Competition jungi kidai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mangisak sa ki email pa jung apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lane ka homestay ka. Por bangi penkala ngi ai kerten ka orange homestay. Pingi sedang sya no ka 4 rooms. Tamba naka forums ni sutho ba ma nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand na kadau ka floor jot ki torres kilas dang bod hading in sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan khatsan do habawan kum kini kita che kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kum kini ki big companies bawan shini kalong big opportunities hingi ki youth bangin yo company ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin la dak puli Tingin jaka bangin tap shabar ngi layo ban tap aka state la jong Kita res kilong la kajam ke segmen mah. Uba kambet kambiang oleh sa. He'll go for touch. Lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch. Budget travelers kilai hakim modal. Takidan ki middle class ki kuat ban sa ha kom kini ki instay ki. Tang kata hang la ber res bekam dan jing thot iro yang ni. Ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lane ki instay lane kiwai ki bentaro. Recently ngadang should receive kawai ka award ma katin ka gold award jang tu sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka kwa tekan ka ni kawai ka pani ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lot ya boro ka try hi ban promote lo ya boro